Down on the ground, sir. Down on the ground.
Someone needs to go behind and tackle his ass.
Spark it up. He's lighting up whatever. He's not.
What's up, guys? Squink here. I used to be a cop. I'm not anymore. What I do every single day are these videos where I walk in blindly using my law enforcement experience to give you a glimpse into how the cop brain is working. Because no matter what, I'm always seeing the same question online. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? What the hell are the cops doing over there? What are they doing under there? What are they doing clear up there? So I'm here to answer that question and whatever else pops up in today's video, which comes from Midwest Safety. It is titled, Arson Revenge Turns into 30-Year Sentence. Uh-oh. I have a feeling this is going to be a good one. All right, walking in blindly. I've never seen it. Here we go.
Oh, hey.
Love to see it. You know what I bet that is? The Flamin' Hot Cheetos. I'm just going to take a guess that that's how the fire started.
Hey, stop. Stop. You got a fire extinguisher?
Yeah.
He's setting fire
Yeah.
and stuff. Stop.
I asked her nicely.
I don't care.
Sir,
Stop.
that doesn't matter.
Yeah, bring it here.
That face.
I asked her nicely.
I don't care. Stop.
That? I love this. This is the best part of the video so far. All right, I'll watch it now.
Yeah, bring it here.
Sir, you can't leave, though, because you started a fire. So, first order of business, he's got to put out the fire.
6 to 1.
That's his job. Public safety is #1 priority. Then he's going to go after the suspect, I would imagine.
I would roll him. Where'd he go? This way? Hey! Stop! Stop! Get on the ground!
Not good.
There's lighter fluid on me. Ah! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
So if this guy were to pull out a lighter and, like, start to, like, act like he's going to throw it at the cop, that is justification for a shooting. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but we'll see.
Get on the ground!
What a savage animal.
Hey, we're back behind.
Sir, you're not Charizard. I would pull out the pepper spray and I would start spraying his eyes.
He threw it on me.
Tackle him, man.
Get on the ground!
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground! Hey, don't tase him because you'll spark it up.
You guys back up. Just back up. Back up.
Hey!
Down on the ground, sir. Down on the ground.
Someone needs to go behind and tackle his ass.
Spark it up! He's lighting up whatever. He's not.
Oh my god. So is that justified? No. No, it's not.
Is he conscious? Yeah, he's conscious.
That would be seen as deadly force. And at this point, I don't think that's warranted. I also like that he doesn't wear shoes.
You okay? Yeah, I need my eyes flushed.
I don't have anything else. I asked her for my medicine.
Sir, it's a gas station. Why would they have your medicine?
Just keep your head down, relax.
Alright.
I don't think that we have anything for eye wash. Let me get you some water.
There's nothing else on me. See?
So he's obviously drunk. Where's his other shoe?
I got it fixed.
Hopefully the cop paid for that water. I'm just kidding.
He threw that right in my eye.
You guys need? We're good here. Talk. Get the story inside.
Nothing like a little arson at 5 in the morning.
Go back there and make sure they're okay. They're good? Okay. Well, I know. I put them in cuffs. He threw lighter fluid or heat like that additive, fuel additive, into my face. Yeah, so I came around here, I chased him right over there on that side of the building. He turns around and goes.
I'm gonna eat that bottle right there. That's gonna be some evidence. Okay. Oh, that stuff right there's gonna be evidence also.
I want to go.
Yes, he's in cuffs. No, I'm all right. There's lighter fluid on the hood of my car. Yeah, lighter fluid on lighter at the hood of my car. And he spatted lighter fluid at Jay Collins and Garcia.
I've been rinsing my eyes out. I think I'll be all right.
You guys can name it the saline solution. Do you guys have like the saline, the eye wash solution?
Yeah, yeah.
You send one here, he has lighter fluid in his eyes.
Yeah.
Where was this guy in the bathroom?
I got here and he was over in the automotive section and he set the place on fire. So I had her grab me the fire extinguisher and put it
He did a
out.
really good job by putting the fire out first. That is #1 priority. I applaud him for that.
Sproles hit him. We couldn't tase him because we kept on fire. He was covered in it.
You mentioned about him getting hit.
It was me.
It was you.
It was me.
Here, right here.
Right here.
To subdue him or accident or?
No, subdue him. This is David. He was hit by a squad car. I'm not sure if he's injured, but that's the reason why you guys are
I love how calm
David, you heard
the black cop
He's
is.
been searched. We didn't find
He's like, I hit him with a squad car to subdue him. Fair enough. Fair enough.
We took everything off for the most part.
No, listen to me.
What?
Listen to me.
They said that you get hit by a squad car. Does anything hurt on you, David?
Yeah, you let me know. I don't give a.
Your neck
Right.
Oh, yeah.
hurt? It does? We're going to put a C-collar on you if your neck hurts.
No.
Okay. There you go.
I got Uncle Henry in my back pocket.
You guys want to help lift him up? Just put him on the cup?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
That's Uncle Henry.
You okay?
I'm all right.
Okay. Who
Been sick at all lately, David?
subdued him after?
Me and Garcia. Been in the cup. Me, Garcia, and Jay Collins. We were all here.
Okay.
We're not giving you a knife, so.
Well,
Yeah, we did.
see, I've been asking for these meds for 3 days, sir.
Right, but the Maverick doesn't have your medications, David.
Lighter fluid for evidence. That's all his property right there. That's his property right there. There should be a lighter. There should be a lighter somewhere over here also. That's what he was using. Yeah.
Did he get lighter fluid on your car?
He did. It
Yeah,
was on the
let's make sure-
windshield too.
Hey, let's make sure we get good pictures of the lighter fluid on the car.
Like all this dried up stuff right
All this
here.
is all that he was spewing it at the car, so if we
Yeah.
can try and get. Yes. Okay.
Doing it right. You good? Yeah, that's fine. You can do it?
Get in both your eyes?
This one. Follow my finger. It was burning like crazy earlier, but I had to wash it out.
What a disaster.
One on the corner.
Oh my gosh. I told you. I told you. I was making a joke, but the joke aged very well.
Who? Who is this guy? I don't know. But if there weren't 3-foot flames over there, I would have put him in cuffs immediately. I was more worried about getting that out of there, put out.
He made the right decision.
Makes sense. I know it should have been a firefighter.
So then he ran this way.
When I got here, they were standing in the corner, and he just kept flinging that stuff.
Yeah.
He was trying to light it when Sproles drove up. That's when I got in the air that he was trying to light it because he was still throwing it at us. And that's when Sproles took.
If he was trying to light it, and the black officer saw that, and then rammed him, justified in my opinion. Totally justified.
Further action. He waited till, I guess he had it lit. Once he had it lit, he put the car in drive or
All right,
whatever it was,
I'm good
and
with that.
Took him down.
Took him down.
Yeah.
So you nudged him down. Huh?
Pretty much.
I'm good with that.
This stuff, my understanding is this is what was on him that got taken off him. That bottle over here was also associated with him. However, when I got here, it was over here. Garcia kicked it.
Understandable.
I get it. So this was moved since my arrival. Sproul says that there should be a lighter around here that he had. I haven't seen a lighter yet.
Is it that?
You got it? Okay. All right. Then, as far as I know, that's all the pieces that we would have been looking for.
You got the red bottle of heat, right?
We have the red bottle of heat.
He had something else with
Over here, we had 2 little bottles of...
There's a lighter that I threw out of his hand.
We found the lighter.
Okay.
We're really lucky he wasn't eating the Flamin' Hot Cheetos, because he could have breathed fire at the officer. So, thank God.
We found the lighter, the knife, and we found, as far as I could tell, everything involved, unless there's more. Like, where was he spraying it at you? Was that over here?
I was over here.
That's where he was spraying it at you?
Yeah, well, so I come around the corner, he's about, I'd say probably like right here.
Okay.
He just turns around and goes, and I, you know, backed up. Or
so you came around this corner to go this way,
yes,
and he's
he's
over here.
walking this way already.
He sprays it. Okay.
He left the front door as I was putting out the fire with the fire extinguisher.
Okay.
And then he turns on right here, whatever, gets it in my eye. As
So
we're
he
walking
turns
this
and
way,
sprays it this way at you?
Yeah.
Okay, after you came the corner. Got it. All right.
You good, man?
So it all would have been here then?
Correct.
Because he kept on walking.
And then
so I was
over
kinda
there.
trying to stay away from him a little bit,
Sure.
but he kept on coming this way. This
Okay.
stuff is going to evaporate.
Well, yes, I figure it probably would. I'm just trying to find...
I would have to go back and look at my camera to see
Okay.
exactly where. But, I mean, he was throwing it on me. He got me multiple times.
From the heat bottle?
Yeah, he got me multiple times. And I was standing about right here. He grabbed that pink container. I didn't know what the f it was, so I kind of backed up a little bit, and he threw it, and it bounced and hit me in the leg.
Okay.
And then ended up over there.
All right.
Now, of course, police are trained to expect many.
True. That's it then? Wow. Okay. I truly believe everyone did exactly what they should have. At the beginning, I was very concerned about the bumping him with the car, but when they're saying that he started to light it, at that point, it becomes a deadly force situation because he sprayed whatever the hell that accelerant was on people as well as the police car. So if he was about to start lighting that up and then throw it, you're looking at like Molotov cocktail style weapons. So that constitutes deadly force in my opinion. I'm really happy with how all this played out. I think it was tremendous how the officer handled the fire first. Like I said, public safety is #1 priority. Everyone did what they were supposed to. It's not like he rammed him going 60 miles. It's not like he did a burnout and then just hauled ass and then ran him over. Like he bumped him. But it could be argued that that was deadly force. Give the cops an A. I am very proud of them. But like I said, being right next to those hot Cheetos, this could have been a big fire. Like those hot Cheetos explode sometimes. They're that hot. And if they're the extra hot, stand back. Stand back. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I will see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye.